my opinion, the wearable devices, the engagement through mobile health apps represents, I think, the future, not just of research of diseases, but of medicine. And why I can be pretty confident in saying that is today in medicine, you spend maybe 10 minutes for a normal individual who's generally healthy in front of a physician every year. And what can that physician possibly score on you to really assess the state of your health is very minimal. Unless something catastrophic is going on within you, whether it's your lipid levels are way off the charts, or your glucose levels, or something that's really extreme. Unless that's the case, then they're really not doing much to assess what your state of well-being is. The information that's stored in the medical records is not extensive enough. And what the wearable device revolution provides is a way to longitudinally monitor your state with respect to many different dimensions of your health that are going to provide a way better, way more accurate profile of who you are, what your baseline is, and how deviations from that baseline may predict disease state or sliding into a disease state, so that we'll be able to trigger sooner interventions that can prevent you from that kind of slide. That sort of modeling would be impossible unless you can phenotype individuals, again, on a longitudinal long-term basis. And while the wearable devices today are sort of in this more recreational grade state, they're changing incredibly rapidly into research grade and ultimately clinical grade. There are already glucose monitors that are FDA approved that are now sort of able to be worn by individuals and interface with digital apps that then connect directly with healthcare providers based on what they're seeing with your glucose profiles. And so you'll just see that kind of censoring get better and better, higher and higher grades, in providing better and better profiles on individuals over time. In fact, I estimate that in 5 to 10 years, more accurate information on your health will exist outside of the health system than inside of the health system, and will really force this engagement of that information by the medical community.